we will now deal with the topic human development, and first of all we shall understand the meaning of human development. Human development talks of human capabilities. Those capabilities are longevity, educational attainment, and real GDP per capita. Now I am going to explain the term longevity. Longevity refers to the average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth. Educational attainment refers to knowledge. And real GDP per capita refers to the per capita income of a country, which is calculated by dividing the total national income of a country with total population of a country. The second point we will deal in meaning is, it is the essence of social development. Why it is the essence of social development? Because human resource is converted to human capital through training, education, and skill. When human resource is converted to human capital, that will lead to social development of a country and finally to the human development of the country. The third point which we will discuss over here is human approach. Means the human development require the human approach to life, emotions, the feeling of cooperation, love, affection, etc. It focuses on the people, rich or poor. It also talks of the emotions, capabilities, opportunities, needs, aspirations of human beings. So, this is the meaning of human development. Now, I am going to discuss the HDI. What is HDI? HDI is Human Development Index. Concept given by UNDP. in 1990. And to calculate the HDI of a country, they choose 3 parameters. They are longevity, educational attainment, and decent standard of living. HDI can be calculated by adding the longevity, yani life expectancy index plus educational attainment index plus decent standard of living refers to real GDP per capita divided by 3. Then we can calculate the human development index of a country. Now I am going to discuss other developments also, like national development, means that the benefits will be to all sections of the society. Then only the national development will occur. And environmental development refers to maintaining ecological balance. So these are the developments which I discussed in this chapter. Now we go further to understand that development differs from person to person. How? Development differs from person to person. For example, for landless rural laborers, for them the development will be more days of work and better wages. Better wages. For landless rural laborers, the development will be more days of work and better wages. And for prosperous farmers of Punjab, for them development will be what? High income. So from person to person, the development differs. Now we will understand development of one, development of one may not be development for another. For another. How? This I will explain with example. Industrialists want to build dams to generate electricity because they set up large scale industries to produce different kinds of goods, but it will lead to submergence and disruption of tribal people. So tribal people will resist it and they will prefer a small check dams so that their lands can be irrigated. So we can say that development of one may not be development for